Hello and welcome to a new Python tutorial. Today is all about a cool function for counting items. This could be letters in a string or elements in a list or in a tuple. To start off, let's write a list. We can call it L, and this will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, 2, and 4, 5, 3, for example. Now all we have to do is write from collections import counter. And finally we can write counter of L. Now as you can see, this has returned a sort of dictionary which reports how many times each value is present in our list. So we know that the number 1 is present only one time, the number 2 is present twice, the number 3 and 4 are both present 3 times each, and 6 and 5 are present once each. Similarly, we can also use the same function on a tuple. So let's write an example tuple which will be equal to our string from before, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5, 3. And then we can say counter of tuple. And that will give us the same result as before. Finally, we can also use the function to count how many letters are in a particular word or sentence. So let's look at an example by writing, for instance, counter of hello world. As you can see, the function has correctly counted how many times each character appears in our string. This includes, obviously, also the white space in the middle between the two words. Also, please note that the uppercase letters and lowercase letters are treated as different characters. So, if we were to write counter of hello world H, for example, which I know doesn't make any sense, but bear with me, you can see that our counter returns our values separately for the capital H, which appears once in our string, and the lowercase h, which you can find at the end, which also appears once in our string. With that, I hope you enjoyed our little dive into the counter function. Personally, I think it's a really useful function which can sometimes save you a lot of time and bother. Having said that, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any thoughts or comments down below. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy coding!